My name is Peter Taraka. I'm the manager of aircraft restoration here at the Intrepid Museum. We're talking about the restoration of our F-16A. It was donated to us by the New York Air National Guard. It was a joy to have this airplane in the hangar because the F-16 is just it's a timeless shape, and so many people have operated and maintained, flown this airplane that it's just legendary.
It was in pretty good condition when it came in. Sanded areas that needed a little bit more care.
We were paid a visit while working on the airplane by Brigadier General Mike Hall. He told me the story of how he was a squadron commander in Syracuse, and they had been transferred to a place called Ramstein Air Force Base, where he was squadron commander there before they participated in the Gulf War. So that seemed like a pretty significant story and one worthy of changing the markings on this airplane. It was a pretty straightforward renovation.
We painted it in the color scheme that would be for the first Gulf War.
I can't tell you, over the time that we had it in the hangar working on it, countless people would come up and tell me stories about the F-16. It was great to work on.